Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll discuss about Razor pages that are used in ASP.NET Core. So we have different frameworks through which we are going to create web applications in ASP.NET Core. So one is we use normally MVC, so it's a model view and controller pattern in which there is a separation of concerns where we put everything that is related to your view in views folder. Then we have a model that takes care of all your interaction with the databases, and then we have a controller that controls that passes information from model to view. So we have another concept called Razor pages. Again, this is also a very unique concept, and basically Razor pages are data driven pages. These are server side pages that are basically used to create pages on the fly. And then basically the main important thing is that in Razor pages, the way we are going to create a web application is different as compared to what we do in MVC. So basically it is a cross-platform, Razor pages are cross-platform. It can be deployed on Windows, Mac, Linux. It is easy to learn, lightweight and flexible framework, so it can fit with any application. So again, it is a view part, so it can fit at any level in any application. Then it can be done in C# as well as in with Razor markup. So this Razor markup on the Razor page, you can use the annotation through which you can fetch the data from your model, and the code is more organized with code behind pages like ASP.NET Web Form. So basically it is used to create the pages. So the type of application that is created is ASP.NET Web App. So whenever you are going to create the project, there are different templates. So the template that is used to create Razor pages is ASP.NET Core Web App, and you can use this template. And then if I talk about the structure of the pages, so it is different from what we used to in MVC, because in MVC we have a separate folder for model, a separate folder for view, and separate folder for controller. But here in this Razor pages, we have the structure is basically we have this www root folder, because ASP.NET Core, all the static pages, whether it is HTML page, whether it is CSS page, JavaScript page, those are stored in www root folder. And since it is a Razor pages, so we have a folder called Razor. For Razor pages, we have a folder called pages in which all your pages are being stored. So again, in terms of structure, it's very simple. It's not a MVC part. It is basically used to create web app. So just like code behind part in web application. So all the annotation part, it is taken care to create all the different pages. So we have shared folder in which we have layout.cshtml. Then we have all the different, so all those HTML pages, they have the extension .cs. And if we have VB pages created in VB, it will be .VB HTML. So basically you can implement using the @page. You can use the model, you can use the view data, view back, and you can get all the information. You can display all the information on the Razor pages. So it's a very important concept in ASP.NET Core to create the dynamic web pages, data driven web pages, cross platform web pages. And now it is not limited to only ASP.NET Core. It is cross platform, so it can be deployed on any of the platform. So this was all about MV's Razor pages and how it is different from MVC. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video.